Yes, so again, it's a very good question. I'd like to categorize companies or mindset into four different categories. As I said, I strongly believe that digital transformation is in the mind. So I have four categories. The first is what I call the ignorance phase. This is when the companies believe that the companies don't know. Okay, so there's lack of awareness. So you can think of some rural kirana stores, some very traditional small and medium enterprises located in some interior parts of the country. So they may not be aware of what is happening. So that's the one kind of section of industries which are not looking to digitally transform. The second category is what I call are people who are in a denial phase. Now, these are companies which are aware, okay, but they say that no, it's not for us. Okay, that's a typical. Our industry is very different. We have a very unique business model. It is relevant to others. It's not relevant to us. And we have seen examples of BlackBerry. A lot of other examples are there, which kind of fall in this category where they kept on denying, and one day they were nowhere there to be found. Now the third category is which I call inertia. Okay, so these are the categories of companies where they know about digital, they know that it is relevant to the industry, but there is a certain inertia inside the organization which doesn't let them change. We call it a no-do ratio. Kodak is an excellent example of that. Now, the reason might just be maybe an obsession with their existing ideas, their existing business model. In some cases, even fear. Many companies just fear that I don't know what to do, whether I should or I should not, and they get lost into that quagmire, and one day they are disrupted. And the last is obviously a category which I call champions. And so these are companies which are typically, you see, are pioneers. They know the relevance, they believe that digital is relevant to the industry, and they go out and do it. So those are the four categories that I believe exist. And as I said, it's a change agenda. Even in any company you go, you'll find individuals or employees that you can categorize them into these four sections, and that's how you have to focus your change agenda to bring that change in mindset.